See, I got basil, oregano, thyme, bay leaves. Where's the freaking dill? Where indeed? Folks, keeping your spice rack organized is not complicated. But you know what is complicated? Keeping your data organized. But it doesn't have to be. Do you want to learn how to transform your data for more efficiency, deeper insights, and improved ROI? Well, I hope you'll check out Komodo Technology's new e-learning training called Data Management Foundations. This course will help you learn data management terminology and best practices, understand the modern data stack, improve data security, and help you leverage data in new ways. To sign up or find out more, just click the thing. Hope to see you there. What's that doing in there?